About our high-precision products. The product types are categorized into rotary refrigeration compressors, pump vanes, used in air conditioners, and rotary refrigeration compressors, among others. V&VQ series intra vanes, double lips vanes. V series, used in machine models that require minimum force, such as rubber and plastic formers, injectors, blow molding machines, descending machines, elevators, shoe molds, and more. VQ series, heavy-duty machine models that require maximum force, such as bulldozers, die casting machines, and others. Hydraulic variable displacement pump vane, used in centerless grinders, CNC lathes, special purpose machines, and more. Power steering pump vane, used in engine bays, steering pumps, passenger cars, vans, trucks, and more. We have a wide range of full specification products and offer customers with all-rounded special design services upon customer request. The accuracy of all our vane products reach 1.7 in capability of precision value, and our products are best examples of innovation and ultra-high R&D capabilities.